Hello and welcome back to Technical AUK YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create and formatting detail mark certificate in Microsoft Excel. Also learn how to calculate percentage and remarks of students. Before I get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Excel and click on Blank Workbook. Enter ID number, name, father name, subject name English, Urdu, Science, Maths, Computer Science, and total marks, obtain marks and remarks. Adjust column size. Enter ID number. At this time, I type random ID number. Enter A101 and drag them below. I type Aimal Shah in the 7th cell and drag them below. How is this possible? I use custom list option. If you learn how to create custom list, click on the above card to see custom list in Excel. Also, I provide you with the link in description. Type father name. Enter total marks 500. Also enter subjects marks. I enter random marks. Formatting the header row. Align the marks to the center. Now I want to find the obtained marks by each student. Type the formula. Type =sum, open parenthesis, select range and then close the parenthesis and press enter. See the obtained marks of Aimal Shah. Now drag the formula below and see obtained marks of each student. Now finding the percentage of each student. Type equal, then select obtained marks, divide by total marks, multiply by 100 and see the percentage. Now drag them below and see the percentage of each student. Now I find the remarks of each student where student pass or fail. In this video, I assume obtained marks less than 280 is fail, and greater than 280 pass. Type the formula and see the output. Now I want to apply conditional formatting, highlighting the fail students. Select the obtained marks range and then go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules and select less than option. And type 280 and then click on OK button. Now you can see the fail students. At this time only one student fail. I changed some marks in row 9. You can see conditional formatting are applying. Now I apply some formatting. Select all data and apply all border option. Applying blue accent 1 style to header row. Change the orientation of page to landscape. Go to page layout, click on orientation and select landscape option. Now I add logo to top left. Now I add title. Now press Ctrl+P to see the print preview. Now I add signature line. Add the text who prepared the DMC and add date. Again, press Ctrl+P and see the print preview. That's it. I hope you found these tips helpful, and please don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on Excel and other topics related to technology.